Welcome to the first tutorial of the OutlookStudios course, more coming soon. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to navigate Roblox Studios UI and resources. To begin, we will cover the menu bar in Roblox Studio. The copy tool makes a copy of the selected part and saves it to your clipboard. The cut tool removes the selected part and saves it to your clipboard. The paste tool places whatever you copied or cut back into the game world. Finally, duplicate creates an instant copy of the selected part right in the same spot. This is quicker than copy and paste if you just need another one immediately. Shortcuts and keybinds will be discussed in the next tutorial. The select tool is the most basic tool in Roblox Studio. You use it to click on and select parts. You can also freely drag it along your base plate. Once a part is selected, you can move it, rotate it, or scale it with the other tools. The Move tool in Roblox Studio lets you move parts around your game world. When you select a part and use the Move tool, you'll see three colored arrows. Red, X-axis, moves the part left and right. Green, Y-axis, moves the part up and down. Blue, Z-axis, moves the part forward and backward. By dragging these arrows, you can move the part precisely along that axis, instead of just freely dragging it around. The Scale tool is used to resize parts. When you select it, you'll see small colored handles on the part. Dragging these handles will stretch or shrink the part along that axis. You can make parts longer, taller, wider. The Rotate tool lets you spin parts around the three axes. Instead of arrows, you'll see colored circles. Red for the X-axis, green for the Y-axis, blue for the Z-axis. You can also change how much the part turns each time by adjusting the Rotate snap setting at the top. For example, setting it to 45 degrees makes parts rotate in 45-degree steps, while setting it to 1 degree gives you really precise control. When collisions is turned on, parts cannot go through each other while moving them. This makes placement more realistic, but if you want to overlap parts, you should turn this off. Join surfaces. If enabled, when you place two parts together, they will automatically connect through a weld at their touching surfaces. This can help keep parts stuck together without extra work. Editor, icon with mountain and pencil. It opens the terrain. Editor, a tool that allows you to create and edit terrain such as hills, valleys, water, and other natural environments. The Toolbox button opens the Roblox Toolbox window, where you can search for and insert free models, meshes, images, audio, and other assets uploaded by the community, or ones you've uploaded yourself. The Part tool lets you insert basic building blocks like a block, sphere, wedge, or cylinder into your game. These are the main shapes you use for building. Import 3D allows you to bring in 3D models from outside programs like Blender or Maya into Roblox Studio. The Color tool changes the color of the selected part. A color picker will appear so you can choose any color you want. Material changes the material, texture style of the selected part. For example, you can make it look like wood, metal, concrete, fabric, glass, etc. Union tool combines two or more parts into one solid shape. This is useful for making custom objects that can't be built with a single part. The Negate tool turns a part into a negative shape that can cut holes through other parts. When you union it with another part, the negated piece removes that section. The Separate tool breaks a union back into the individual parts it was made from. This lets you edit or rearrange the pieces again. The Intersect tool creates a new part from only the area where two or more parts overlap. This is helpful when you want to keep just the shared shape between parts and remove everything else. Group tool lets you combine multiple parts into one object, called a model, so you can move and manage them together instead of one by one. The Anchor tool locks parts in place so they don't fall or move when you play the game, which is important for things like floors, walls, or decorations. The Lock tool prevents parts from being accidentally moved or edited in Roblox Studio. This is useful for keeping important parts, like floors or backgrounds, safe while you work on other details. Remember to unlock the part after finishing with it. That concludes the navigation of Roblox Studio's UI.